Do you spend more time in front of your computer searching for the way to get fit than actually doing it? Do you have the gym membership that you never use? Is your self-esteem lacking and driving you to make the wrong choices? Do you look in the mirror and wish you could look differently? Being overweight is not fun. It feels like there's something missing. You know you can do better. You know you need to do better. My name is Brett Reisenhuber, and I'm the owner of Prime Physique Fitness Specialists in San Jose, California, and I know how it feels to be out of shape and fat. At one time I weighed 260 pounds and was in the worst shape of my entire life. I've dedicated my life to helping others to achieve unbelievable results and developing the most effective program for fitness, muscle toning, and fat loss that has ever been seen. I developed the ultimate fitness blueprint, and I got myself and countless others fit, and we stayed fit.
This is a great program. I just finished my hour workout. Brett's on me saying, keep it up, you can do it. I couldn't do it without him. I feel great, and I'm exhausted, but it's pumped.
Great program. If you're looking for weight loss, this is the one for you. Tired every time I leave. It's excellent.
Okay, the best thing that I'm seeing is I'm seeing some development here. And I have to tell you that I never wear anything sleeveless because I'm extremely self-conscious about my skinny arms, so I'm really jazzed about that.
This is like the greatest thing I've ever done. I leave here exhausted. I'm through the whole hour thinking, what? I just can't do this. And I leave here just like so pleased. And I just love everything about it. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Come on, 3 more. 3. Keep going. Ladies, step up. Go.
I love this program. I've lost 14 pounds on the Blueprint Fitness program. I love the trainers here. I'm here at 4:45, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I have a lot of energy after I leave here.
I like this program because I have seen increased energy over the last 3 weeks that I've been here. Muscles are toning, and I just can't wait to see what is coming next.
What is so great, I'm not embarrassed. I was ashamed to come here. Brett takes good care of me. He doesn't make me do anything I can't do or feel uncomfortable about. I feel great coming here.
I love the ultimate